Acquire grammar. In this lesson, we are going to have a look at how to use tell someone to do and ask someone to do. We use tell someone to do to talk about a command. The boss told everyone to get back to work. He told his dog to sit. He told his viewers to subscribe. We use ask someone to do to talk about a request. He asked the waitress to bring the check. He asked the children to be quiet. I asked Tuan to help me move my desk. Now it's your turn. Try to use tell someone to do or ask someone to do for the following situations. He told them to stop fighting. She told her daughter to clean up the room. She asked him to turn up the volume. She asked him to take her to the airport. Give it a go. Has someone asked you to do something or told you to do something? Let us know in the comments.